How to request my data on Discord. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. So let's start. The first step is going to Discord and opening it. After this guys, you will just go down here on your profile, then you will open it. After this, you will just go to privacy and safety. Then when you open privacy and safety, you will find like a lot of options and a long list. You will just go down to the last option, request data. Then you will click and then you will click here, request my data. And if you have changed it your mind, you will just click I have changed my mind. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next